Hello and welcome to another episode of Walkers Around the World. Today we are on the Carnival Panorama, room 8462. This is a balcony. I think it currently sleeps 3, but we are having it sleep 2. So let's go for a little tour. We have, in standard fashion, our bathroom right over here. Nothing too special about this compared to our last room. It was a little bit better, but that's all right. We've got our curtain shower, toilet, vanity, mirror, average cruise ship here, bathroom. Behind us we have a storage. So we've got closets with hangers. They have lots of hangers in here. It looks like somebody else left some hangers behind. I know sometimes people complain about the lack of hangers. You can always ask your steward for more. And our third cabinet here has a safe, has drawers, and then it has the shelving. Next we have the vanity with a couple shelves on it. We have the refrigerator here. We should put some water in there. We did order some water ahead of time. A little stool. We've got regular outlets and a USB hub here. Behind you we have the couch. This will turn into a bed if you're looking to have a third person here. It does not look like this room has an upper Pullman, so it is not going to be 4 or more. And then we have our bed here. We've got 2 of them squished together, 2 twins. We have a TV. Right here, it's a pretty big TV compared to the last ship too. This is one of the newer ships. And then we have the balcony. Standard balcony here. We are on the port side. So we've got a nice view of, where are we at right here?
Long Beach.
Long Beach, there we go.